Hi everyone, so today we're going to be looking at permutations. So permutations is the act of arranging the members of a set into a sequence of order. This is represented by the equation n factorial over n minus r factorial, where n is the total number of members in the set and r the number of members we take from n. For those of you who don't know, a factorial is a product of an integer and all the positive integers below it, and it is shown by an exclamation mark. If we denote an integer as n, then the factorial of n would be n times n minus 1 times n minus 2, etc., until we get to 1. For example, if we use 5, 5 factorial would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which would be 120. In permutation, order matters. A key term to look out for in questions is arranging or in a row. This usually means that you require permutations to solve the question. This is an example question. How many ways can you arrange 3 people? Person A, person B, and person C. We can physically list out each permutation of these 3 people, and we can see there are 6 different ways we can arrange these people. However, using our formula, we see that n equals 3 as there are 3 people, person A, person B, and person C. And r also equals 3 as we are choosing 3 people to arrange. Now, going back to our formula, this means that 3 factorial over 3 minus 3 factorial is our answer. This equals 3 factorial over 0 factorial, which equals 3 factorial over 1. 3 factorial is simply 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6 different ways to arrange these people. And as we see on the left, this is the answer that we would expect. Here is a more difficult question. There are 5 people. How many ways can 3 of them be arranged in a row? So going back to our formula, n equals 5 as there are a total of 5 people, and r equals 3 as we are only arranging 3 of them. In our formula, we put 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial, which equals 5 factorial over 2 factorial, which equals 5 times 4 times 3, which is 60. So there are 60 ways they can be arranged.